Hello student, in the last lecture we have completed question number 2 in exercise 1.1 and now we take question number 3. The first example is x square plus 4x plus 1 whole cube plus in bracket x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to power 4. So let y equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 whole cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to power 4. So observe that when we observe this in the plus sign in these two composite functions, differentiate with respect to x, we get. So the derivative of y with respect to x is a dy by dx is equal to, here we have to use the u plus v of the derivative, y equal to u plus v, and its derivative is here, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx, derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx plus function v, its derivative is dv by dx. So we use here this rule here. Suppose this is u and this is v. This function is v. So we use this rule. So first of all, derivative of u here. Derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 whole cube plus derivative of v. So derivative of this x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to power 4. Observe that this composite function is like this function f of x raised to n. We use this formula here. So its derivative is here n into f of x raised to power n minus 1 into derivative of that function. We use this one. So here, so n means here it's 3 into this function x square plus 4x plus 1 to the power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 it is 2 plus into by chain rule here, by chain rule into derivative of that function means derivative of this function f of x, derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 and plus, then plus again here this function is this type function f of x raised to n. So its derivative is here 4 into n into function to the power function n minus 1 x cube minus 5x minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 1, it is 3, it is 3 into again by chain rule its derivative of that function x cube minus 5x minus 2, it is equal to 3 into, keep this term as it is, x square plus 4x plus 1 whole square into, we take derivative of this function. Again this is x raised to n, this function we use there, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So x square, derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 4x with respect to x is 4, because the constant 4 as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, that's why 4 into 1 it is 4, plus derivative of constant 1 is 0, plus here 4 into, again keep this term as it is, 5x minus 2 whole cube into, we take derivative again here, this is this type of function is like x raised to n, again its derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1, so its derivative is here 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, it is 2 minus again derivative of 5x is 5 and derivative of constant minus 2 is now again here we take 2 common from these two terms, this bracket. So we keep this term as it is, 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 whole square into, we take 2 common from this bracket. So it is x plus 2 here. Now plus 4 into, again we take this bracket as it is, x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole cube and 3x square minus 5. In the last, so 3 to the 6 into, we take this first bracket, this bracket as first, then x square plus 4x plus 1 whole square plus again 4 into, we take this bracket, 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole cube, and this is the final derivative of the given function, this x square plus 4x plus 1 whole cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to 4. Now we take a next example. In the second example, so here second example is 1 plus 4x to the power 5 into 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 8 here. So now let y equal to given function 1 plus 4x raised to power 5 into 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 8, differentiate with respect to x. We get, so when we observe here, actually it is the product of two composite function, and so we use here the rule of derivative u into v, y equal to u into v. So its derivative is rate of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to u into v, u as the derivative of v plus v as the derivative of u with respect to x. So we use this rule. Suppose this as a u and this composite function is a v. So by this rule, so rate of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, first of all, u as it is means this function as it is into derivative of v means derivative of this 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 8, then plus v as it is means this function as it is 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 8 into derivative of u means derivative of 1 plus 4x to the power 5. Keep this as it is into, here again we observe it is a function like f of x raised to power n, and so its derivative is here power into that function to the power minus 1, n minus 1 means 8 minus 1, it is 7, plus here again by chain rule we take its derivative into derivative of that function 3 plus x minus x square, then plus, we take this plus this term as it is 3 plus x minus x square as it is to the power 8 into, again it's, we take its derivative. Again this is a function like f of x raised to power n, its derivative is here n into f of x raised to n minus 1 into derivative of f of x. So first 5 into 1 plus 4x to the power 5 minus 1 means it is 4 into, again by chain rule its derivative of that function, derivative of 1 plus 4x, it is equal to 1 plus 4x to the power 5 into 8, we take 8 before this bracket into second bracket 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 7 into, we take derivative here, so 8 as it is and this term, this function as it is, into again this function as it is, into derivative of here. Rate of constant 3 is 0, so no need to write here. So the rate of x with respect to x is 1, so 1, and the minus derivative of x square is 2x, plus again keep this term as it is, 3 plus x minus x square whole raised to power 8 into 5 into 1 plus 4x raised to power 4 into, again derivative of this constant 1 is 0 and derivative of 4x is here 4, and in the last here 8 into, we take this bracket in the first, 1 minus 2x into, now this bracket 1 plus 4x to the power 8 into 3 plus x minus x square to the power 7 plus multiply 4 here, 4 5 is 20 into, again we take this bracket first, 1 plus 4x to the power 4 into this bracket 3 plus x minus x square to the power 8, and this is the final derivative of given our function. Now we take next problem. Now we take next example, e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Let y equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x upon e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. Here first of all we simplify these two functions. It is equal to e raised to 2x minus, we take its reciprocal, so 1 by e raised to 2x. Same way we take its reciprocal, e raised to 2x plus 1 by e raised to 2x here. Again we simplify, e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x, it is e raised to 4x minus 1 and whole divided by e raised to 2x. Same way in the denominator also, e raised to 2x into e raised to x, it is e raised to 4x plus 1 whole divided by e raised to 2x, and here e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x will get cancelled, it is equal to e raised to 4x minus 1 upon e raised to 4x plus 1. So observe that here we use the derivative of u by v, derivative of quotient rule. So y equal to u by v. In this rule, when we take its derivative, so it is dy by dx is equal to v as it is. V as it is into derivative of u with respect to x minus u as it is into derivative of v with respect to x whole divided by v square. We use this quotient rule of derivative here. Suppose this term is u and this term is v of this function. So this is y. Now differentiate with respect to x we get. So rate of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to, here v as it is means this e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is, e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is, into derivative of u means this e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, minus u as it is means e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, into derivative of v, derivative of v means e raised to 4x plus 1 and whole divided by phi square means e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now it is equal to, keep this term as it is, e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is, into here the rate of e raised to 4x is it is exponential function, or rate of e raised to x is e raised to x. That's why same way rate of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x, but by chain rule again derivative of 4x, rate of 4x is 4, rate of 4x is 4 minus rate of 0, constant 1 is 0, into then minus e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, into rate of e raised to 4x, again derivative of e raised to 4x is e raised to 4x, and by chain rule again it is a composite exponential function, again its derivative is rate of 4x is 4 here, and plus rate of constant is 0. So there is no need to write this 0 here. Whole divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square is equal to. Now here when we observe 4 into e raised to 4x is in both sides or in both the multiplication of this function. We take common this 4 into e raised to 4x. When we take common this 4 into e raised to 4x, it remains e raised to 4x plus 1 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. 4 into e raised to 4x in the bracket e raised to 4x plus 1 minus into e raised to 4x, it is minus e raised to 4x, and minus minus is plus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square right here. Again here this plus e raised to 4x and minus e raised to 4x will get cancelled. It is only 1 plus 1, it is 2, and so 4 into e raised to 4x into 2 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. And in the last 4 2s are 8, 8 e raised to 4x divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square is the final derivative of this composite function. And this now we take next example. Now we take this example. This is the logarithmic composite functions. Let y equal to log of root of 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x. We know the derivative of a logarithmic composite function. So log of derivative of log of function f of x is equal to 1 by f of x into derivative of that function f dash x. So this is the derivative of logarithmic composite function, 1 by f of x into f dash x. So here due to this square root sign, so we again use here by using double angle formula, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to is equal to 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta, and next 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. We use these two double angle formula here. So 1 minus cos 3x here, the angle of cos is 3x, and here angle of cos is 2 theta. So here 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Means here whenever its angle double, then its angle is single. Same, whenever it is minus, then it is sine. Whenever it is plus, then it is cos. So same way, our 1 minus cos 3x is 1 minus cos 3x is equal to 2 sin square 3x by 2. Half angle 2 theta theta. Take its half angle. So 3x, our angle of cos is 3x, that's why we take 3x by 2 here. Same way, 1 plus cos 3x is equal to 2 cos square 3x by 2 we take here. So 1 plus, it is equal to 1 minus cos 3x is 2 sin square 3x by 2. 2 sin square 3x by 2, and 1 plus cos 3x is 2 cos square 3x by 2. Now 2 will get cancelled. Log of root of sin square 3x by 2 upon cos square 3x by 2. We know it is a tan. Sin by cos, it is tan. So it is a tan square 3x by 2. And again here, log of, in the square root here, it is square of tan. Square root square. That's why it is only log of tan 3x by 2 only. Up to we have to simplify. Now we take its derivative, differentiate with respect to x we get. So the rate of y is dy by dx is equal to, and the rate of log of tan 3x by 2. So rate of log f of x is 1 by function, that function of log. So that's why its derivative is 1 by tan of 3x by 2 into, again, its derivative of that function into derivative of tan of 3x by 2 is equal to 1 by tan. Actually 1 by tan is a cos, cot, it is a cot. So cot of 3x by 2 into derivative of tan is a sec square 3x by 2 into, again, derivative of this 3x by 2, because there is a trigonometric composite function. Derivative of trigonometric composite function. So derivative of tan f of x is sec square f of x into derivative of that function f of x. Same way, here derivative of this 3x by 2. So but cot is a cos by sine, cos 3x by 2 upon sine 3x by 2 into sec is a reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos square 3x by 2 into derivative of 3x by 2. Here 3 by 2 is a constant into function, and the derivative of x with respect to x is 1. That's why 3 by 2 into 1, it is 3 by 2 only. Now we cancel out this cos of 3x by 2 here, cos of 3x by 2. Now it's remain, in the numerator there is only 1 into 3, it is 3 by, here we take this 2 sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. Again we use here double angle formula. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. Again here, in this side, whenever sine 2 theta, it's read in this way. 2 theta, again take it single, half the angle. So 2 theta, theta, theta. So same way, take its double. Sine, it gives, by using this formula here, double angle formula, 3 by, so it is a sine 2 theta. Theta means here 3x by 2, 3x by 2. 3x by 2. And so 2 will get cancelled. It is only 3 by sine 3x. Again, it is equal to 3 into 1 by sine. 1 by sine is a reciprocal of cosec. So it is equal to 3 cosec 3x. So final derivative 3 cosec 3x. So this is the derivative of log of root of 1 minus cos 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Now we take next example. Now we take this example, log of 4 to the power 2x into, in the bracket, x square plus 5 divided by root of 2x cube minus 4 to the power 3 by 2. Let y equal to log of 4 to the power 2x x square plus 5 divided by root of 2x cube minus 4 to the power 3 by 2. So when we observe this, so we use here this rule of logarithm, log of a into b, it is log a plus log b. So this is a and this is b, a into b here. That's why we use here first rule. So it gives, we just simplify first here, log of 4 raised to 2x plus log of x square plus 5 divided by root of 2x cube minus 4 to the power 3 by 2. So again we use this second rule here, log of m raised to n. So it gives n into log m. So here, so 2x into log 4 plus again here log of m raised to n. So n log m, it is a 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 5 divided by root of 2x cube minus 4. So again here we simplify this by using third rule, log of a by b, it is log a minus log b. So keep this as it is, 2x log 4 plus 3 by 2 into log of a by b, it is log a minus log b. A means x square plus 5 minus log of b means here root of 2x cube minus 4. Now we take its derivative. So differentiate with respect to x we get. So the rate of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to. So here the constant term 2 log 4 is a constant and x is a function, and we take its derivative with respect to x here. That's why here 2 log 4 is the derivative of this 2 x log 4. 2 log 4 into x, it is 2 log 4 only. plus 3 by 2 into here a derivative of this log of x square plus 5. Derivative of log f of x is 1 by f of x into derivative of log f of x is 1 by f of x into f dash x. Its derivative is f dash x. So same way, its derivative is 1 by x square plus 5 into, again by this rule, its derivative of this function, derivative of x square plus 5 minus again first derivative of this log of 1 by root of 2x cube minus 4 into by chain rule, again its derivative of root of 2x cube minus 4. Keep this term as it is, 2 log 4 plus 3 by 2 into 1 by x square plus 5 into derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of constant is 0 minus 1 by root of 2x cube minus 4 into derivative of this root. Derivative of root of f of x is 1 by 2 root of f of x. 1 by 2 root of f of x means this function total 2x cube minus 4 into by chain rule derivative of this 2x cube minus 4. Now 2 log 4 again it is called as it is, 3 by 2 into this is 2x by x square plus 5 minus 1 by 2 root of 1 by under 2x cube minus 4 into 1 by 2 root of 2x square x cube minus 4 into derivative of 2x cube 2 constant as it is, and derivative of x cube is 3x square. So 3 2s are 6x square and derivative of constant is 0. Now we simplify. 2 log 4 plus we multiply this 3 by 2 to this term. So it is 2 2 will get cancelled when we multiply this 3 by 2 to in this term. So it is 3x by x square plus 5 minus 3 by 2. So it is 3 6 are 18 by 3 6 are 18x square by 2 2s are 4 into here root of 2x cube minus 4 into root of 2x cube minus 4. It is only 2x cube minus 4, root into root. It cancel out its roots. Now we simplify. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, and the final derivative 2 log 4 plus 3x divided by x square plus 5 minus 9 x square divided by 2 into 2x cube minus 4, and this is the final derivative of the given function. In this way, so we take the example in this question, example of 2 log 4 plus 3x divided by x square plus 5 minus 9 x square divided by 2 into 2x cube minus 4, and this is the final derivative of the given function. In this way, so we take the example in this question, example of 2 log 4 plus 3x divided by x square plus 5 minus 9 x square divided by 2 into 2x cube minus 4, and this is the final derivative of the given function. In this way, so we take the example in this question, example of by using rule u plus v, u into v, u by v, and logarithmic. So in this way we have to complete this question number 3. We have stopped here.